welcome back to Patched.
Welcome back.
We have the MX Master 3. So I've been using the MX Master 2 for the past like 4 years.
Yes.
My favorite mouse. And you know, when I'm editing on Premiere, it's an incredible mouse for workflow. I use a Mac, and this guy uses a Windows PC. So it'll be cool to like see both of our opinions on both. It's more, you can use this on both iOSs. So
yeah, and this is my first experience with a mouse like this because I saw his and I was like, oh, that's cool.
Yeah. And
we saw this one was coming out and we thought it was I thought it was awesome. So I wanted to get one and see how it is. Yeah. So this is the review. And
Lucas has been editing some videos as well, so he's been using this too.
Mm-hmm.
So this is our thoughts on the MX Master 3. If you guys want to get it, we'll leave a link in the description box. It is available for $100. I was like, that's a pretty good price because like the MX Master 2, I believe I paid like it was on sale too. So I think I paid like $120 when it came out.
And this is Logitech we're talking. Usually it's a premium price.
Yes.
$100. That's pretty solid for what you're getting.
Yes.
So out the gate, some of the differences are going to be that like electromagnetic scroll wheel they got at the top, which I really like. And what did you think about it? Because you had some interesting opinions.
Yeah. So in my scroll wheel, I like a really defined step and a very like tactile scroll. But this is just super muddy. And like, obviously you have that infinite scroll, which I love. There's two modes. If you press this button, it looks like a DPI button, but it's not. It's for the scroll wheel. And if you press it, you can either go from like infinite scroll wheel where there's no bumps to like if you press it, there are a few bumps. But like, it doesn't feel any different. It's so muddy that I don't like it.
So what I notice about it is I really love it personally.
Mm-hmm.
I like how the slower you go, the more tactile it is, so the more precise you are. And when you want to go fast, which for me was just whenever I'm scrubbing through footage on the timeline or whatever, I just scroll through it and it's done, which is really nice.
I love that.
Stops on a dime.
I love that, but I just don't like the regular scroll. It just feels really muddy. I wish the steps were more defined, especially comparing it to my MX Master 2. It's a lot more defined, But one thing I do like about it is that it's really quiet compared to my MX2. So
you can't hear anything until the end.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So and also like I would say like kind of scrolls for a little bit longer, but still not a huge fan of the scroll wheel because of that. But that's just my opinion. Lucas likes it, so there's that.
Mm-hmm.
As far as the shape goes, I love the shape. I had to get used to it a little bit. It reminds me a lot of the the MX Vertical.
Yeah, the crab mouse.
The crab mouse.
The handshake.
It looks like that. Yeah, exactly. You basically do the same thing in this mouse, but like it's more just like
it's so comfortable.
Steeper angle, or it's not as steep of an angle, I guess, as MX Vertical. It's very comfortable, and if you're palming the mouse, look at that. It's just a perfect fit. Look at that.
They know.
Incredible. Yeah.
They know how a handshake.
Exactly. And I have medium-sized hands, and my fingers like are nowhere near hanging off the edge of the mouse. So if you have large hands, I think you should be fine. If you have small-sized hands, I think it will be too big.
To be honest. It will be a little big for you. But
exactly.
It's the thing is like it's with Logitech, you always get this really really nice build quality.
Yeah.
That's the thing. So everything from here all the way down to where your thumb is like this nice rubbery texture. The mouse buttons are this smooth glossy finish that we're used to with Logitech.
Yeah.
And it's nice. There's no wobble on the buttons here. Side buttons feel good. You got your scroller on the side. This can be used to scrub through the timeline.
Yes.
Whenever you like to use it as, you can rebind it all within their Logitech options software, and it's just feels good.
You also have an extra button here on the side right here.
Mm-hmm.
So you can press it with your thumb. I rebound it to like I guess the multitask button on the Mac, on my iMac. So whenever I press that, all my windows comes up, and I really like that. It's very very handy. Of course, like Lucas said, you have the mouse buttons. It's a different layout from the MX Master 2. It took a little bit of getting used to because the scroll wheel on the side is a lot higher than I'm used to. So it's not a huge deal, but it just I needed to get used to it. So there's the buttons there. I mean, obviously the buttons are very very nice. It's a lot.
Yeah, they've got those in their software. They've got rebinding options for like specific software. So they've got one specific to Premiere, got one specific to like Microsoft Word or Google Chrome, which I love that.
That's dope.
Like some are literally instead of just having it bound to the delete key, it's for deleting footage or something like that.
Exactly.
Or delete selected footage. So that's cool. The button on the bottom here is, of course, you press that, you can perform a function, but you can also press and hold it and then swipe. Yeah. There's gestures on there, which is really cool. So as far as the battery goes on this, because it is wireless, it's Bluetooth, you get 70 days of battery on a charge.
Incredible.
That is so nuts.
Yes. And of course, you have USB-C for the charge cable, which this guy really likes for some reason.
Yeah, the old one had micro USB and it was trash. That's a trash can port. So we got USB-C on here. You get 3 hours of charge from 1 minute.
Yes.
From 1 minute, guys. That's insane.
Of course, you do have this what is it called?
Bluetooth dongle. You got the unifying dongle.
Yes, so you can either put this into your computer, but you can also connect via Bluetooth. You can connect with up to 3 devices. So you just press this little button and it says 1, 2, and 3, and then that's how you pair it.
It works on Windows, Mac, Linux, whatever. So whatever you got, and it's cool. They've got this feature in there, Logitech Flow, which means I can use this on my gaming PC and my streaming PC, and I can copy paste things from computer to computer. So it's really cool. So I'll plug the USB dongle into my gaming PC where I'm doing all my editing because it's a more powerful system, and then I can just swipe over to my streaming PC on my other monitor, which is so nice.
Yes.
You don't have to unplug it and then go under the desk and plug it into my other computer.
Yeah.
That's really cool for me. Everything about this mouse just screams quality. It is definitely a brick. You're not gaming with it, you know. So it's for productivity. Feels nice. It's really ergonomic, and I mean, you can't beat the productivity you're gonna get out of this guy. As far as like all the binds and the functions and the software go, it's crazy.
Yeah.
It's actually it's so worth it.
Yes, and it's only $100, guys. Pretty damn cheap.
And you had yours for how long?
Like 4 or 5 years, and it's still going strong.
So I mean, for $100,
yes.
and then as well, like $20 a year.
Yeah, exactly.
If you want to think of it that way.
Exactly. So yeah, we would definitely recommend this if you're productivity. If you do anything with productivity, you just want a mouse that you can really use for a long time and
editing, word processing.
Exactly.
There's so many different uses for this mouse with the mouse buttons and all the functions on there. There's a function on here for everyone.
Yes.
I strongly believe that.
We recommend the MX Master 3. It's incredible. Go ahead and get it. If you guys want to get it, again, we'll leave links below. But that's the review. Hope we helped you guys out, and we'll see you guys next one.
See you in the next one.